Hi. There are two ways for your clients to access their list of bookings and manage them. Simple Appointments List is included in the default Bookly Pro version. If you use the Customer Cabinet add-on for Bookly, you can create personal user accounts on your website and let your clients use advanced features. Let's have a look at both options. With the default version of Bookly Pro, you can create a page where your clients will be able to log in, see their upcoming and past appointments, and cancel them. Go to the Pages or Posts in the WordPress sidebar menu. Open the page editor and click on the Add Bookly Appointments List button. You'll be offered to select the columns that you want to add to the table, including the Cancel button, which will cancel an appointment at one click. In the Gutenberg editor, click on the plus icon and select Bookly Block. Then select Bookly Appointments List to insert the shortcode on your page and click Publish. If you purchased, installed, and activated the Bookly Customer Cabinet add-on, make sure to enter the purchase code you received in the Settings Purchase Code tab to have access to free updates of the plugin. In the same way as with the Appointments List, go to the Pages or Posts and in the page editor, click on the Add Customer Cabinet button. Then select the columns that will be viewable to your customers and their user account. In the Gutenberg editor, click on the plus icon and select Bookly Block. Then select Bookly Customer Cabinet to insert the shortcode on your page. Customers can see their appointments only if they are associated with a WordPress user account and are logged in on a page where the Appointments List or Customer Cabinet shortcodes were added. If you enable the setting Create WordPress User Account for Customers in Settings, Customers, then Bookly will be creating WordPress user accounts for all new customers who make bookings on your website. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and follow the links in the description if you want to know more about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comments section below. See you soon!